Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, everybody? Welcome back to school to the first secondary stage. Hope this scholastic year be better than the previous one. Today we are going to learn how to change sentences from active voice to passive voice easily. The passive voice. How and when to use the passive voice? Lots of students ask, what is the point of the passive voice? Is it really that important? Yes. In this lesson, you will learn what it is look like and why it is useful. So stay with me through this entire lesson. Keep focused, it isn't that long. So when should we use the passive voice? There is time when we don't want to say who did the action, maybe to avoid responsibility for what you or someone did, or you don't want to be in trouble, or maybe you don't know who did the action, but actually because the object is the most important part of the sentence. You can use the passive to change the focus of your sentence. To make a passive sentence, you need to change it from active sentence to passive sentence using the passive tense. The passive is formed with the verb be and a past participle. So here we have a table for some tenses, the active form and the passive form. The first tense is present simple. We have here a verb like take or takes. Verb to be in the present simple will be am or is or are, and the past participle of take will be taken. Present continuous, am, is, are taking. It will be am, is, are being taken. Be plus the ing of the verb plus the pp of the verb taken. The past simple verb like took, the verb to be in the past will be was or were plus the pp of the verb taken, yes. The past continuous was or were taking, it will be was or were being taken. The present perfect have or has taken, be, has, have been taken. Past perfect had taken, had been taken, yes. Future simple will take, I will put will plus verb to be plus past participle of the verb, yes, taken. Okay, now you are going to follow these 7 steps to change the sentence from active to passive. Step 1. Identify the subject, verb, and object. Step 2. Move the object to become the new subject of the sentence. Step 3. Identify if the object is singular or plural. Step 4. What is the verb tense in the active sentence? Step 5. Conjugate the verb be. We need to change the verb according to the tense of this sentence. Step 6. Add the past participle of the main verb after be. Step 7. You need to decide what to do with the subject of the active sentence. For example, we have a sentence here, the children do their homework. The children here is, yes, subject, do, verb. Which tense? Let's think. Present simple, very good. Okay, their homework is the object of my sentence, yes. Is it singular or plural? Singular, very good. So, my sentence will be, their homework is done. We don't have to include the agent, but you can add it either at the end of the sentence using the word by. And when you want to use a tool, we use the word with. For example, 2 valuable paintings were stolen by thieves. Another example, the man was attacked with a basketball bat. Okay, here we have another active sentence. Let's apply that on a very simple sentence. The children ate the cake. Again, the children is subject. Ate, verb. The tense, past simple. The cake, object. Yes, singular. Subject, verb, object. Okay, the subject did the action. The object of the active sentence becomes the subject in the passive sentence. So, the answer will be the cake was eaten by the children. Very simple and easy. There are some common passive expressions that we all know, like to be born. It can't come in the active form. It's always in the passive form. So it's wrong to say, or we don't say, my mother bore me on May 23rd, 1989. No, we can't say that. We say, I was born on May 23rd, 1989. Another example, English speakers frequently use the passive voice. English speakers, here, subject, use verb, present simple, the passive voice, object, singular. Okay, it will be the passive voice is used by English speakers. Volunteers saved many people's lives. Volunteers, subject, saved, verb, many people's lives, object, and it's plural, by the way. So it will be many people's lives were saved. Okay, we have here some examples in different tenses. The salesman will sell the car by the end of the week. It will be the car will be sold by the end of the week. Someone has stolen the neighbor's car. Present perfect. The neighbor's car, it is singular, has been stolen. Okay. The students are taking the lesson. The lesson is being taken. Present continuous. Okay, here we have a note. There is no passive form for some tenses, like future continuous, present perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous. To sum up what we have said, let the object of the sentence in active be the subject in passive. Identify the tense of the verb. Verb to be will be is been, was been, is being, was being, has been, had been, will be, and so on. Now, you can change sentences from active to passive easily. Thank you and meet you the next session.